107th subject social science. Chapter number 7 India. Location, border, area and physiography. Part 1. First of all, let's see where India lies on the earth. As we all know that there are total 7 continents on the earth. That is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia, in which India lies in the Asian continent. In this picture, we can see the map of Asia continent, in which many of the countries are included, like Russia, Mongolia, China, Bhutan, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Iran, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Sri Lanka, Japan, etc. These all are the countries which lies in Asian continent. In this continent, India is also included. We can see that India is shown in brown color picture, in brown color in the bottom of this map, where Indian Ocean lies near the island Sri Lanka. As we can see that India's border is filled with other countries. So our first point was the location of India. So in this map we have seen the location of India in Asia continent. Second topic of our chapter is border. As we can see the border of India, there are many countries lies besides it, which includes Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. These all countries are lies besides the border of the India. So these are called the borders. Second is about our topic is area. Now what is area? So from as we are learning about India, so we have to aware about the area of India. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, that means from north to south. It covers the distance of 3214 kilometers. From Arunachal Pradesh to Dwarka, that means from east to west, it covers 2933 kilometers. And approximately area means size of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. Let's see in this map. This is the political map of India. On the top of the India there is our state Kashmir, and in the bottom there is Kanyakumari. So the upper part is north part, lower part is southern part. It covers the area of 3214 kilometer. Now let's see, this is east side. There is Arunachal Pradesh, and this is our west side means Gujarat. There is Dwarka. From east to west it covers 2933 kilometers, and the total area of our India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. As I told you in standard 6 that always the upper part of the map shows northern side. So from this we can assume all the directions of the map. On northeast, on northwest side there is Pakistan, Afghanistan. On north side of there is China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. India tapers towards north and south and relatively broader in the center. There are 29 states and 7 union territories including New Delhi, the capital of India. But there are some changes in our recent period that Kashmir is partitioned in two parts in Leh Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir, and it is included in Union Territory according to our new updates of the constitutions. Now let's see the physiography. What does physiography means? Physiography means the physical physical map of India, which includes its um, atmosphere, temperature, way of living, places, geographical locations, etc. Physiography are divided in many divisions. First is mountain ranges. We have seen many mountains in India, but we are going to learn about northern mountain ranges, then plains of North India, then central and Deccan plateaus of India, coastal plains, islands, archipelagoes, and Indian deserts. These are the physical geography divisions done in 5 divisions of India. That means variations of landforms. Different types of landforms available in India. There are this. First, we are going to learn about northern mountain ranges. These ranges includes the chain of Himalayas, 3 mountains in called Himalayan mountain ranges. Himalayan chain means the line of mountains which the Himalayan chains are divided in 3 parts, which is called Himalayan mountain range. Second is Himalaya and third is Eastern Himalayas or Purvanchal range. These are the 3 distinct and parallel ranges. The northernmost range towards China is known as Greater Himalayas, which includes near China. The central Himalayas lies in the center and the range towards India is called Shivalik range. First is mountain ranges of Himalaya. It includes Mount Godwin Austin Peak of India. These are the names of the mountains. Its height is 8,611 meters. It lies in Karakoram range. Second is Mount Everest. It's the highest peak in the world, which is located in Himalayan mountain range in Nepal. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain of the world, which lies in Himalayan mountain ranges in Nepal. Kanchenjunga mountain heights 8,518 meters. Nanda Devi range is 7,817 meters and Badrinath is 7,138 meters. These all are the famous mountains of Himalayan ranges located in the Himalayan chains in India. Second is mountain regions of Eastern Himalayas. The Eastern Himalayas include Patkoi and Lusai, which are the highest hills from the Eastern Himalayas, whereas Garo, Khasi, Jaintia and Naga, the not so high hills from part of Southern Himalayas, but it also lies in Himalayan mountain ranges in east and west direction. So these are the Himalayan mountain ranges, our first part. Second part is plains of North India, which we are going to learn in our second part, and also the plateaus of India. What does it means and where it lies in the geographical conditions of India. Thank you.